Struggling to find files on your PC? Let me introduce PowerToys Run, a tool that's accessing your files as easy as typing a few letters. Let's get started. PowerToys Run is part of Microsoft's PowerToys suite. Think of it as a supercharged version of the Windows Start menu search. It's designed to quickly find files, folders, and even applications. And you know what? It's completely free and super easy to set up. Let me show you how. First, download PowerToys from the official Microsoft Store. Install the tool and launch it. Now, I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to open it up. Once it's open, head to the PowerToys Run section in the settings. Make sure PowerToys Run is enabled. By default, the shortcut to activate it is Alt-Space. But hey, you can customize this to whatever suits your style. Using PowerToys Run? Oh, it's super simple. Just press your shortcut key, type the name of the file, folder, or application you're looking for, and hit enter. It's lightning fast and works across your entire system. For example, let's search for a specific file. Type in a keyword like Windows, and boom, PowerToys Run displays the results instantly. You can use your arrow keys or your mouse to navigate the list. Just click to open the file, its folder, or even cooler, open the file location in Command Prompt if you're feeling like a pro. Now, you might notice that some files don't show up in the search results. Don't worry, this happens because not all files are included in Windows' search index by default. To fix this, head to the indexing options in your system settings. From there, you can choose to include all files on your computer in the index. Or, if you want to save time, you can add specific folders instead. But indexing the entire system will definitely give you the most comprehensive search experience. Keep in mind though, if you've got a massive library of files, like 10,000 plus, it's going to take a while. So here's a tip. Close unnecessary apps to speed it up. PowerToys Run also supports advanced plugins. Yep, you can use it as a calculator, launch web searches, or even run system commands. Just explore the plugins menu in the settings to unlock these cool features. To make the most of it, pair PowerToys Run with a well-organized folder structure. Trust me, a tidy system makes it so much easier to find what you're looking for. PowerToys Run will handle the rest. With PowerToys Run and a properly set up index, accessing your files has never been easier. Give it a try and let us know in the comments if you've got any other tips or questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Skill and Tech tips for you every day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.